Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the starter fuse and starter relay are located on this 2009 Pontiac G6. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing we need to do is pop our hood. Now we need to remove our battery cover here. Then remove your fuse cover right here. On the back is a diagram to show you what stuff is. It'll tell you that this square J-case fuse right here, this 30 amp fuse, is for your starter, and this relay right above it right here is also for your starter. So you've got a 30 amp J-case fuse right here. I will have fuses linked down in the description below where you can get those online, and then your starter relay right here above it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.